Hello guys, if you are looking for the dolly, maybe for auto dolly with remote, check this out. I have today this Neewer with this model is DL100, right? And this is exact auto dolly with wireless remote. So from the features point of view, you have up to 1500 milliampere battery, and you have different options like time-lapse or curve or straight line. You have remote, you have 3-speed, it's up to 3 kg loading, right? And today I want to show you a little bit closer this device, right? So first of all, it's coming with this attachment. Yeah, so it's coming with this attachment, right? You can see it closer, and you can use or the thinner or thicker side, right? In my case, I'm using like this. So I have another, actually it's two devices, right? One from small ring and one also from a Neewer, to be able to quickly attach or remove my camera from this auto dolly, right? So let me show you how to use this in real life. So I have my Canon R50 in a cage, so and also with a 1435 lens, L type, right? So what is my point is that it is pretty heavy setup already, and I have this hot shoe to attach and remove this camera from any places. In this case, this auto dolly, right? And then you have several options how to manage this, right? If you want a straight shot, you can put this wheels or legs in a 90-degree position, right? Hope you can see this. And then using the remote, you can just do like this, right? With a slow speed, medium speed, and the fastest. And you can do it in reverse. So you can do it left and right, forward, backward, which is pretty cool, right? If you want to do a curve, any curve shots, right, you need just to adjust this legs, and in this case it will be like this. You see, we have this curve movement, and obviously you can adjust these legs more or less, so the curve will be more or less, right? From the sound noise point of view, you can hear the noise is substantial, so obviously this is for B-rolls without sound, right? So if you need to make a B-roll shot, for example, shooting this box like this while you are speaking, right, like me, you need to do it separately, otherwise you will hear the noise from this device. So what I'm doing, I'm shooting my talking head like this, and then separately shooting the B-rolls like this, and merge them together to get a final video. From the build quality, it's made from sturdy metal. This wheels also pretty good. From this like stability point of view, I will show you. So I will include right now. You should see right now on your screen the B-rolls made with this dolly and this R50, so you can see and you can assess how smooth the movement is. In general, I am so far so good. I need to use it obviously a couple of weeks, maybe months, to get a final verdict, but for now, for given price is very budget, this could be a very good solution if you're looking for something like this.